Hello, today I will teach you how to make a white radish with crayfish ball. So first, we need to make sure cut the front and the back part of the white radish. So first thing first, we need to cut all the skin for the white radish, but remember, don't trash the skin for the white radish because it can use for cleaning. Then we need to cut the white radish to pieces. Now I'm going to show you how to cut the onion. After that, we need to boil the water and put the piece of the white radish into the water. And at the same time, we can get out the bitter taste of the white radish. Moreover, we need to boil it around 10 minutes. We need to put the white radish on another place. Then we need to refill the clean water and boil it. And at the same time, we put 1/4 piece of the flake sugar and the white radish into the water. Next, we need to use 2 tablespoons of curry paste, 1 teaspoon of salty sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce here, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Also, it depends how spicy do people can eat. Now I'm going to mixture all the sauces. After we boiled the white radish, we put it to another place, and remember we need to keep the water. After that, we need to use 2 garlic and dried onion and use the small fire to fry it. Next, we need to put curry paste, salty sauce, chili sauce, and turmeric powder into the wok. At the same time, keep using the small fire to fry it until it's scented. Then we pour the wine into the water because we need to fry the sauce further. After that, we need to pour the white radish and water into the wok together. Then, after 5 minutes, put the fish ball into the wok. Next, put 1/3 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce into the wok and boil it around 5 minutes. Then we need to turn on the fire and put 2 teaspoons of cornstarch plus water into the wok and boil it. Finally, we can put it on the dish and we can enjoy it. Please remember subscribe my YouTube channel and like my video. I hope you all guys have a good day. I will see you later. Bye.